Recording the sewer line here today at 4021 Northwest 56th Street. Northeast 56th Street. Date's May 28, 2021. We are way off property now, down in the big construction site sewer line, the KTM construction sewer line that they've built down off of property. We're going to come back now onto the property of the furthest west of these three homes. I'm not sure the number. I think it's 4011. But we're coming back now. All right, we're coming back now. Okay, at this point we are coming back into the concrete line. We're coming back onto the property of that 4011 house, I believe it is, that farthest west house. This is a 6-inch diameter section of concrete sewer line. We've done a little bit of cleaning just to get access enough to see the line. We'll do a little more cleaning before the liner install. Okay, coming back around the turn there. Keep coming. That's right, cleanouts on the back, upstream side. Okay, we're going to go back and locate this turn real quick. So go through it. Okay, we've got that turn located about 4 feet deep in the backyard of the home, 4.5, 5 feet deep in the backyard of the home, 4011. Coming back around the turn now. Or actually, let's locate the back side of the turn too. Alright, continuing the recording now. We go back out to there and we'll zero out our footage and get an accurate look at this one. Right there's fine. Alright, come on back, please. Alright, we're coming back looking for the final set of tie-ins, which will be the 4021 downspouts. Okay, we're coming out there. We're going to look for that last tie-in one more time. I'm going to end the video there, though we've seen the whole line.